Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm just doing a fit in cornrow for the first time. For this first time I'm doing cornrow, so I just cut it from ear to ear, and now I'm cutting it like one section on the sideways. So I put edge control gel just to achieve this, to make it look neat, and I'm putting extension just to fit in. Guys, that's my first day to do fit in control. I always do my hair, but I never attempted to fit in. You know, with the children it will be very like tough to do this, to achieve this, because the children will be playing and disturbing me. But today I said, let me try this. Let me try to control the kids while I'm plaiting my hair. So don't mind the kids on the background, they're gonna be there a little longer. So right now I'm doing like what I did to the other side. I sectioned it and I put edge control, and I start by doing normal cornrow with my hair. Before I get to the middle, then I start to feed in, just the way I am doing, guys. So what I can say to people who want to fit in their own braid, you can do like this, or you can even do better than this. It is possible. Just keep practicing. The one that doesn't know, just keep practicing. And if you don't know to do this one, you don't need to feed in. You just do normal cornrow, or you just do normal twist. So I wasn't ready to do tiny lines, because I want to do thicker ones so that I can finish quick and do other stuff at home. So right now I'm on the middle section, just working on the middle section, and I'm piling the gel, the wax, not gel, I mean the edge control wax. And the best gel to use is Iso Plus gel. It's affordable, and I see other people, they use Shine and Charm. Shine and Charm I think is the best as well, but for those that want to save, Iso Plus is very good to save. So guys, it's easy to do natural hairstyle for black women. It's easy to maintain your hair while at home without going to the salon, and you look well put together. You just need to practice, watch more videos, practice. For those that haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Welcome to this family. I post about hair, I post about makeup. At times I post vlogs, normal vlogs about my lifestyle. Yeah, we are on our last cornrow, guys. I'm just happy that it came out nice to my eyes. It's clean and neat to my eyes, and I love it. So it's so fulfilling doing your own hair. You just feel happy and proud, like how I'm feeling proud of myself, because I am doing my hairs and I'm saving money, and that's what I want for you guys. I'm just here to inspire you so that you can do some stuff. It's not every time that you need to go to the salon. Some styles you can do by yourself. So I used a kinky hair just to achieve this, and a rubber band. I'm tying it like the way you can tie your shoelace, like anything. I'm tying it around. Then I went to comb it. And I'm now tying the cornrow together with my back hair to make it a lower pony. You can put it, if you want it to be upper, you can tie it a bit up, but me, I wanted the lower since my kinky was not too much. It was small to make it up. So I tied around the remaining extension, and I went on tying the kinky extension to make it like an afro puff. Guys, don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, share.